Hello everyone, welcome to UNESCO Heritage 수원화성 Fortress. I'm Kate, your tour guide. From now on, let's walk to the east side of the fortress. There are 4 pavilions in 수원화성 Fortress. This is one of them. It is called Tongnam because it is located in the east southern area. Tongnam is placed in front of the south water gate over the Suwon stream, so it commands the nice view everywhere. Especially, it is the best place to enjoy the sunset over the Pungdong mountain. It is the beacon tower which is called Pungdong. Pungdong is the only one out of about 50 facilities established in the Hwaseong Fortress. In Joseon Dynasty, people living nearby or far away could recognize the degree of the emergency according to the numbers of the chimneys with the torchlight. There used to be over 1,000 beacon towers nationwide in Joseon Dynasty. However, the one in the Hwaseong Fortress has a unique style that both sides were connected to the fortress wall. Now we can see the semicircular walls of the fortress. The name is Hwaseong, which is built for the protection of the main gate. We can find out this from all the main gates of the Hwaseong Fortress. Unlike other fortresses, Hwaseong made Suwon become the most valuable fortress built in Joseon Dynasty. This is Changnyeong Gate located in the east side of the fortress. Changnyeong means the blue dragon. As I mentioned before, the blue color stands for the east side. Thus, you can see several blue flags around the fortress here. The edible run over the Changnyeong Gate is called Flying Swan. Those who want to enjoy the Suwon화성 over the sky, try to get it on. This green field is for the Korean archery practice. It is in front of the Yeonmudae where soldiers were taken martial training. Finally, we are arriving at the Hwaseong, which is the most beautiful facility in Suwon화성 Fortress. The name of the pavilion Hwaseong means to visit Mountain Hwasan, where the tomb of his father was placed, by following the willow trees. It is the kind of the summary of his parade from the Hwaseong Fortress to Mountain Hwasan. There is an interesting story related to the beauty of this pavilion. During the construction, one day one guy asked, "Why should we build this military facility? Then much beautiful?" King Jong's answer for that: "The perfect beauty could defeat the enemy." This answer explained his basic idea in terms of the construction of the Suwon화성 Fortress.